Hello everybody, jimmyispromo here, back again with another awesome video. And if at any point in time in this video you guys like what you see, make sure you guys hit on that like button, as well as don't forget to hit on that subscribe and hit on that bell for notifications so you get notified of any future videos. So in today's video, we're going to have a little bit of fun and we're going to see exactly how many windows you'd be able to open up on the Samsung Galaxy Note 8. So how many applications are you able to run at the exact same time? And why would you want to run so many different apps at the exact same time? But here's the thing. It's probably just because we're able to. It's because you can with the Samsung Galaxy Note 8. So just as a small little example, let's say that you went over into YouTube, but you also wanted to open another application. Probably what you do is you press and hold on this little recent app button, and it's a way that you'd be able to go in and maybe want to check out YouTube, but also the maps. But usually more than likely you might have maps and music open, or maps and Google Play, so you're able to listen to music as well as check out where you're driving to. So this is one of the ways to have two different apps at the exact same time. But what if you want to have 5 applications open at the same time? Maybe you want to have 12 windows open at the exact same time, almost kind of like a PC. This is how you're able to do it. So I'm going to go to the very top. I'm going to close out of that split window. And what you want to do is you go over into your settings. If you have not turned this on, this is step 1. Go over into your settings. Move over into your advanced features, and you're going to see the option for a multi-window. Once you open up a multi-window, this is the option here called pop-up view action. Pop-up view action is a way you'd be able to swipe from the very top left or the top right, bring it down diagonally, so you'd be able to make it a smaller window. Exactly what you see here. You can see how big and how small and how kind of customized I'm able to make the window. So I'm going to make this one kind of look like that. And the great thing about it is that you can either make it, taller or smaller. You can bring it in just like I did from before. You have 3 different options at the very top. This is the one to minimize it and make it kind of look like a floating icon that you can move around, and you're also able to open it up at any given point in time. Now, the very next one, which is the option in the very middle, is going to be a way that you'd be able to make it the full screen backup. So I do want to say that sometimes if you do kind of try to go so fast, you're not going to be able to get it, every single time. It does take a little bit of practice to kind of do this. And so all you got to do is pull it down from the left or top right-hand side, either way, and pull it down diagonally. So how are you able to get so many windows open? So I'm going to make this one minimized. I'm going to go back over into YouTube. Maybe I want to make this one all small and minimized, but I want to make it just a little bit larger. I'm going to make that one small again. Maybe let's go over into the gallery. I'm going to make this one, you see there, I pulled down the notifications panel. It takes a little bit of practice, but it might pop up a couple times. I'm going to make the gallery maybe this size right here, make that one minimized too. So what is happening with all these windows is they're all coming up in this little floating widget, this little floating little icon. So I have 3 of them that is used right now. So there is my gallery. So here is YouTube, and if I want, I'd be able to move this one maybe right over here, and then here is the settings icon. So maybe if I wanted to move the settings application kind of to a different location, I'd be able to move it right up over here. So again, I'm going to go over and I'm going to minimize. So a little bit more fun. Let's kind of go in there and let's minimize a few more. So let's go over and do another one. Let's head over into Chrome. I'm going to bring this one all the way down, bring it on over. Maybe we'll make it about that size there. A lot of times it works pretty well when you have it about that size. And you know what? How about we check out and do this one with text messaging? So when you go over into text messaging, I'm going to move this one probably right over here. And so now the fun thing that you're able to do here again is, let's say that we go back, and anytime that you open up your little keyboard, it's going to possibly, cover some of it. So you want to bring this up so you'll be able to see exactly, what you are writing, so you can see, exactly what's going on. And how it looks right now is I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different applications open at the exact same time. So here we go. Let's open up just a few more of these and see exactly, what it looks like and just how crazy it is. So you can see here that maybe, I don't know, I'm going to make this one just a little bit smaller. I'm going to move this one like right over here. And then we also have the gallery that I'd be able to place right over here. So you can see here that I have 5 different windows open at the exact same time. And this is just super crazy. Now, what if you're done with any of those applications? Just hit on your home button and it all puts it right back over inside of your little floating widget. Okay, so I went through and I opened up just a few more. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 that is open right now. And I've gone up as high as 12. And really, honestly, kind of how this is limited to how many apps you're able to open. It's limited to how many apps you have downloaded and able to go over into that little pop-up view or multi-window. So if you want to know something on how, if you are able to do it or not able to do it, let's say we open up camera. I don't think camera is one of those that is able to do multi-window. So all you have to do is press and hold on this little recent apps button. And when you scroll through here, what you want to do is you want to look at that middle icon here or that second icon there right next to that X. So if you go through an application that does not have the X, that means it's not able to do pop-up view or multi-window. So this right here, the game launcher, you can see does not have that multi-window icon, but right here, this one does have that multi-view or multi-window icon. So anytime you see an application that does not have that little multi-window icon, that means that it's not able to be done. So let's say we go over into the shortcuts here. I have an application that is opened up, and here's another way you'd be able to check out if it's able to do the pop-up or multi-window. Have an application on the very top and check out app list. This entire app list is every single application that is able to be used in multi-window / the pop-up window. So if you see anything in here that is listed, that means it's able to be used within using multi-window or that pop-up window. So if at any point in time, again, you just want to get rid of any of these, all you have to do is hit on that little X, or what you'll be able to do is click on your recent app button, click on clear all, and it gets rid of all of them that is just kind of sitting up there. So really when you clear everything, it's being held of anything that was opened that could be maybe used for multi-window or the pop-up view. So hope you guys have liked this video. This is more of a entertainment type of a thing. It's kind of a fun way to kind of see exactly how many windows you'd be able to have open at the exact same time. But make sure you guys give this thing a huge thumbs up. Also hit on subscribe below the video, or you'd be able to hit on subscribe right over here. Make sure you share this video with your friends and family. And outside of that, I'll see you guys later.